Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If you want centralized tracking, flexible events control and clean analytics management on your Lovable website, connecting Google Tag Manager is the smartest setup in 2026. Most issues happen because of wrong container ID, incorrect placements, unpublished changes, or blocked scripts. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Lovable to Google Tag Manager in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common GTM connection problems like GTM not loading, tags not firing, preview mode doesn't connect, it works in editor and not in live, analytics or pixel events missing. Okay, so create a Google Tag Manager account container. So go to Google Tag Manager. Okay, click create account, enter account name, container name, usually your domain, target platform, it's most probably web. Okay, so then create. Okay, so you will receive a container ID like GTM and some numbers. Okay, so copy this ID, you will need it in Lovable. So then choose how to add GTM to Lovable. So Lovable supports two safe methods. Okay, so method A, which is the best. Okay, a native GTM integration. So go to projects, okay, or then integrations or analytics, find Google Tag Manager past your GTM container and then save. This automatically loads GTM side wide and correctly. Okay, so and there is method B, manual GTM code. So use the scripts only if Lovable doesn't provide a GTM failed. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.